Onderwerp hoofstuk 31. Iets ongesê. After Xander left, Greg goes out to Plank. Plank asks him if he found Xander. Greg says you will never believe what happened. He realized that the transponder was not in my hand and he left. They do not know what to do now, so Plank suggests that they go and find a hotel and food. He is hungry. They get food at a straatkos-stalletjie. For dinner, they each get a durum, and for dessert, thin waffles called gagit halva. Then they book into hotel, and Greg falls asleep. During the night, Greg wakes up and he sees Plank standing at the window. He joins him. Plank says how pretty the view is, and that he is glad that they can still be friends after all the stuff that they went through. Greg tells him that they will always be friends. He will be his best man one day at Lisa and Plank's wedding. Plank says yes, the kids will play together one day. They will have the coolest, naughtiest kids and the most beautiful and clever wives. The next morning at the breakfast table, Plank says that they might as well do some sightseeing, besigtiging, while they are here. Greg tells him that he decided to still look for Die Baker. Plank asks him how he will do that. Just then, they hear a voice saying, well, then you have to get going. It is Xander. They are shocked to see him. Xander tells them not to be so shocked, that they should say thank you to Ayla. She believes in second chances. He looks at Plank and then asks if he, the class clown, is coming with them. Suddenly he takes Plank's hand and sees the transponder in his hand and says, why am I not surprised? He tells Greg that this is his last chance and that they should go and get their bags. Greg wonders, who is this Ayla?
Okay, guys, I hope that this helped you. Click below here where I landed to check out the playlist. Goodbye.